and gentlemen, welcome to the premier events venue, Balay, Mindoro. On behalf of SK Travel and Tours with the tagline, SK the Ordinary, be in our journey. I am Ate Mia together with my partner guides, Ate Mika, Ate Maika, Ate Pauline, Ate Tia. We bring you nothing but escape, learnings, and enjoyment. But before we proceed to our tour, we have to ask Mika to give you some present reminders that we need to remember during our tour. Good morning, tourists! While we're about to head on our destination, I'd like you to take a time to familiarize you with the area and discuss some brief safety precautions. First, never stay out of the group. Let's synchronize our time so that you won't be left behind. The time now is around 8 o'clock in the morning. Second, never leave your valuable things unattended, such as wallet and cell phones. Third, if you're feeling unwell, we have prepared a first aid kit here. Just don't hesitate to approach us. Fourth, maybe you're wondering why we have a flag here. When we wave the white flag and whistle once like this, it means you can start roaming around and take a picture. And when we whistle twice like this, it means we have to go and prepare for our next destination. And lastly, always remember the play go, clean as you go. Alright, we are here at our first destination. But before we start, let's do a head count first. Starting from the map. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we are all complete. Are you all guys excited? Okay, we are all excited and we're about to enter what you can see the creativeness of Nicoreños while experiencing the culture and elegance. And welcome to Balay, Mindoro. For the go! So we are here now at the restaurant here in Balay, Mindoro, the Bungkos, where you can see the Alter Religious sculpture called Kamangyan. This features the way of life, culture, and traditions of the indigenous people of Mindoro. This sculpture was created by Gilbert Piave and Peter John Salazar, which are both from Pinamalayan Oriental, Mindoro. And on my side, this is called Buhig Garden, wherein you can conduct your outdoor events here. So, alright, tourists, you are free to take a look and remember that you only have few minutes before we leave this area. Okay, it's about time to go to our next destination. So, come on, vamonos!
Are you enjoying our tour, my dear tourists? Great. We are now heading of the amazing artwork at Balay, Mindoro. Look at this majestic fountain. Look at this majestic fountain. And you will see this fountain when you enter at Balay. As you can see, there are 8 people that signify the 8 tribes at Mindoro, which are Iraya, Hananu, Buid, Nobuid, Bangon, Daimon, and Hiraya. Okay, tourists, you can now take picture on this amazing artwork. Now feel free to take pictures. Let's move on to the next destination.
Good morning, tourists! Hello again, and energy level check. Check! Our next destination is the Vanishing Kalinga. This is referred to as an vanishing to convey a serious the culture of our indigenous people are on verge of disappearing. The vanishing tamaraw is now a endangered species because a lot of people are continue to hunt them. At the center, we will see the ruined basket. This is a local product of Oriental Mindoro. This symbolizing that a lot of people are not buying all these items nowadays. Lastly, the vanishing mangyan. The vanishing mangyan signifies that due to the changes of our society, they are being forced to abandon their cultures and traditions to adapt and keep up with the trends. Okay, tourists, you may now take a picture. Okay, my dear tourists, you have a few minutes to take a pictures before we proceed to our next destination. Alright, my dear tourists, we will go to our next destination. Do you still have an energy? Energy level check? Check! Alright, let's go!
So on our third destination, this is, as you can see here, this is a bigger version of Ambahan. Ambahan is a traditional poetry of Mangyan. Those writing is called surat. They are commonly used in courting. They believe that the longer the bamboo they give to the woman they like, the higher the chances they can get for the woman's heart. On my left side, this is the welcoming guest in a hospitality manner, and on my other side, this two bamboo means that it means the longing about friendship. So, alright tourists, we can go inside. Always remember to take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprint, and kill nothing but time. Be careful on our way inside because our artworks is fragile, so to avoid breaking and ruining it. So be careful.
Okay, tourists, we have here a destination, and this is Generacion and Okay, tourists, we are here in Generacion and Roca. This is the one of, in this picture, this is the one of Mangyan, Generation Mangyan, male and female version. As you can see, the four stages of as you can see, four stages of youth to old age. In this picture, you can see the eyes of silhouette of Mount Halcon. Can you, if you take a picture, you can zoom. And this one is come back. This is depicts of a facial expression of Mangyan's people. Alright, tourists, we have next destination, and this is this is the Atenea said what I say. This. So here in Balay Mindoro, we have 3 function halls, 1 combined hall, and 2 single hall. Their divider is movable, so if a client wants a wider hall, they can move their divider. And this is their comfort room, and we are heading now to the Kapwa Pilipino, the very first artwork of Balay Mindoro. Are you enjoying your tour, my dear tourists? Are you feeling tired? If you still have energy, can you give me a 2 thumbs up with a wide smile? Can I see your brightest smile, my dear tourists? Great! So behind me, this is the artwork of Mr. Alberto Bads Mansumbol, and this is called Kapwa Pilipino. This features the different various aspects of Mangyan culture, which are the hunting, weaving, their traditional clothes, the surat, which is their writing, and the ambahan, their traditional cloth, which is called rabit, and their different kinds of instruments. If you look closely, on that part, the mountain has a lush forest, while on this part, the mountain is bare. This signifies that we should take care of our environment because it is where we derive our resources that we need for our daily lives, such as also the Mangyans get their way of livelihood in the environment. So we need to take care of our environment. In this bigger picture of the center, it is also called Kapwa Pilipino because the oldest Mangyan, they called it Kapwan. So this artwork is Kapwa Pilipino. This is also an acrylic painting painted in a narrow wood glass. So you are now free to take a look, and before we proceed to our last destination. Okay, tourists, it's about time to go to our last destination where Kuya Dan is waiting for us. So, let's go!
Welcome to our final destination. This is called Pamilya, the longest artwork in the Philippines. Pamilya, it represents the daily life of Mangyan family. If you look closely, you can also see the elements of their culture, such as the basket and the simbolong pakudos. And on my right side is the father, and in my left side is the mother, and in the center is their children. This artwork features hand-drawn original illustration, meticulously cut entirely by hand, and Mindoroños are truly creative. Do you agree, tourists? Now feel free to take pictures. In a few minutes, you will wrap up our tour. For the last time, let's do the hand count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, we are complete. Energy check. Check. Perfect.
Alright, my dear tourists, we are thank you for choosing us as your tour guides. We hope to see you again in your future and unforgettable visit in Balay Mindoro. We are wishing that we have given you a 7,641 reasons to smile and enjoy. Again, I am Ate Mika, together with my co-tour guide, Ate Mia,
Ate Maika.
Ate
Kuya Dan.
Pauline. On behalf of Escape Travel and Tours with the tagline, Escape the Ordinary, be in our journey. We thank you and stay safe, tourists. Bye! Thank you, Doc Alex, and thank you, Balay Mindoro.